Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I am showing you an entire day of cleaning, what it looks like for me as a stay-at-home mom, what my typical daily cleaning routine is. Now today we're starting off in the kitchen and I'm gonna do deep cleaning in here. I obviously don't do that every single day, but I usually pick one area of the home to deep clean every day, and that way I don't let it pile up and I'm able to stay on top of the house. So here we're starting in the kitchen. I'm starting just by decluttering the island, decluttering the countertops, putting things away where they go, putting away dishes, that kind of thing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start the cleaning. If you're someone who has a really hard time staying motivated to stay on top of your house, I would say beyond the daily tasks that you have to do to keep your home in order, like doing the dishes or taking out the trash or those kinds of things that you literally don't have a choice, you have to do in the daily grind, I would say just tell yourself to do one deep cleaning task every single day. That way you don't have to dread that long deep cleaning day once a month or whatever that looks like for you. Instead, just pick one thing a day. Maybe it's clean out your microwave or wash a couple of windows or, clean out a closet. Whatever that might be, pick one thing every single day that maybe takes 20 minutes, 30 minutes tops, usually less than that. And that way you never have to do a big deep clean. For me personally, that just works so much better and I don't get stressed out and I don't have that dread of not looking forward to that. So just a little tip for you guys, that's something that I'm striving for right now in my life, in my daily cleaning routine, and it's working out really well. On this morning, I had made pancakes for the kids. They have been really into Mickey Mouse pancakes, and I'm not gonna lie, I've gotten pretty good at making them, if I do say so myself. I'll insert a little picture right here. And I wanted to just take a second to mention that I share a lot of really fun everyday stuff with my kids and just kind of my daily life over on Instagram. So if you're not following me, make sure you go follow me at amy.fritz.
The magic stop for us. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us?
Since I took the time to deep clean my sink, I'm also going to use one of these garbage disposal pods to just kind of clean that out, get rid of any smells that I don't want in my kitchen. And now I'm going to go ahead and diffuse some essential oils. Today, I'm just using peppermint because I want a nice Christmas scent, but it's also just really clean and fresh, and I absolutely love that. If you've been around my channel for any length of time, you know when I deep clean my kitchen, I always remove all of the decor off of my countertops, put it on my island, clean those counters, and then put everything back and clean the island. I really like to go ahead and take everything off so that I can make sure that I clean everything. And today I'm just using really hot water and vinegar, and again, a few of those peppermint essential oils. And I am just going to town, wiping all of the counters down, wiping the backsplash, the cabinets. I'm just giving everything a really good clean, disinfect, and that is always the best feeling.
What is it that you do?
If you're new around here and you like what you see today, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love to have you join my YouTube family. And I wanted to formally introduce myself. My name is Amy and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 kids, Emma, Grayson, and Graham. They are 4, 2, and 10 months old, and we live in the Atlanta area. And here on my channel, I do a lot of cleaning motivation just like this, but I also do a lot of home decor, lifestyle, and motherhood content videos, and I would absolutely love to have you join my YouTube family. I drink way too much coffee, and I also make tea with my Keurig, so it always gets really dirty. I don't clean it off nearly enough, especially because it's white. I feel like I should do it way more often, but I'm also going to go ahead and clean all of my stainless steel appliances. I always use the Method Steel for Real spray. It's my absolute favorite. It leaves everything streak free and it smells really nice too.
What I do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
So now I'm going to put everything back in its place so that I can wipe down the island. And I have to say, getting this kitchen deep cleaned, smelling fresh, disinfecting it, especially with it being flu season, felt so good to have it done for the holidays. We spend so much time here in the kitchen cooking, having people over, baking, and it feels really nice to be able to do all of that here in a clean space.
Just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
You by no means have to have a perfectly clean home or a perfectly decorated home to be a good mom or a good wife or to feel valuable, but I will say I do have a lot more peace when my house is clean and well kept. I'm definitely a happier mom, which in return makes me a better mom, but it's real life. I just do my cleaning with my kids right there with me. You can see Graham chasing me around with the broom. That was hysterical. We were literally cracking up. It was almost like a little game. He was loving it. And then here in the family room, again, real life messes, but we take the time and we clean them up together.
I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I want you. I just need you. I don't know what it is
I'm going to be wiping all of the furniture down today with the Iowa Pine scent from Mrs. Meyer's. It's her all-purpose spray. And of course, Grayson wanted to help me with that as well. And there under the ottoman, I am keeping all of our children's Christmas books. We love having seasonal books out, and that way in the evening or even throughout the day, we can read them together.
Words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it.
And now I'm just sprinkling some deodorizing Febreze carpet spray onto the carpets before I vacuum so that everything smells and feels really fresh. I'm just using my Dyson V7 cordless vacuum. I get a ton of questions about this. I love it. I have it linked in my description as well as some of my other favorite products as well.
Out your name, I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless.
And now we are done with lunch, and we made a mess, of course, so I'm just going to pick up where I left off and finish cleaning up the kitchen. I'm going to start here with the kitchen table, wipe everything down, get it decluttered, put dishes away, and get everything all straightened up.
I promise that
And now I'm gonna go ahead and deep clean this high chair. It had been a minute, and you'll see here in a second after I wipe down the sides, I lift up the chair and I end up just taking the cover off to throw in the washing machine because it was so disgusting, but I got all of that really clean, again, just with water and vinegar. I don't like to use anything harsh here since it's where the babies sit. Right now in this season of life, I feel like sweeping up Cheerios off the floor is the bane of my existence. Graham loves Cheerios, but he throws about half of them onto the ground, so that leaves me to either sweep or vacuum them up at least 2 or 3 times a day.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors.
I decided to get my steam mop out, and this specific Bissell mop, you can remove the mop head, and underneath there is a hard scrubber brush and it just lets out steam. So it's really great for anything that's caked on the floors, any old food. I use it on the baseboards, that kind of thing, and it just really gets up anything that a regular mop wouldn't. So I really love that. So I did that first, and then I went in with my CEDAR mop and gave the entire floors a good mopping. And again, I just use really hot water, and I actually use some Thieves essential oil. I do this because, like you saw before, Graham is everywhere all over the floors, and Thieves is really good for your immunity. So I figure since he's crawling around there with the germs, he might as well get a little immune boost too. But here you can see the final result. My kitchen is so clean and just so peaceful this time of year.
Unable to bend.
Okay, now moving on to my dining room. This has been a problem area the last couple of weeks since I've decorated. So I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the place settings and put them away until Christmas dinner. They're so pretty sitting out. They're just not realistic right now because we really do sit here a lot and it's just gotten annoying if I'm being honest. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of that away, and then I'm gonna take everything off the table and wipe it down with the 7th generation wood cleaner.
We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long.
I had filmed another video here in this room the day before, and the chairs kind of got moved around for lighting, and so I'm just putting those back really quick and just kind of picking up in here. I'm also going to wipe down our table in here again with that 7th generation wood spray.
Ask you all my questions, get to know you better.
Now I'm lighting my vanilla balsam candle. It's my favorite from Bath & Body Works. And over here in the bench area, Emma kind of rearranged and brought some of her stuffed animals down, and I really just didn't have the heart to change it. So if the bench looks a little different, that's why. But I'm just gonna finish off this room with a quick sweep. I didn't mop these floors today because it hadn't been that long since I had mopped them, and I'm gonna wait to do it again until closer to Christmas.
'Cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions.
I very rarely film down here in our basement playroom, mainly because the kids are almost always down here playing while I'm filming. But on this day, they were napping since I was filming throughout the day. This is later on in the afternoon, but I'm just doing a really quick tidy up. There's not really a whole lot of method to my madness here in the playroom. I just have given up organizing it for now. I might try to tackle it maybe in the new year, but it's just easy to throw everything in those baskets so you can't see them and just get it all put away.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down?
At this point, Grayson was awake from his nap, so I'm just gonna quickly tidy up his room with him. Now, his big boy bed just got to my house today. It was just delivered, so this is probably the last time you'll see his crib in a cleaning video, which totally makes me emotional, but I'm super excited for him to get a big boy room makeover, so be on the lookout for that video. It's gonna be really fun, but again, just kind of tidying everything up. I'm gonna do the same in Emma's room, and I'm also going to wipe some of their furniture down, definitely their dresser, with the Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine spray.
We can hang out on the beach without free.
If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I wanted to say thank you so much for watching and for supporting. It really does mean the world to me. If you're still cleaning and you still need some cleaning motivation, I'll link my massive entire cleaning playlist right here. So go ahead and click on that, and that will get you covered for the rest of the day. But again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it brought you some motivation, inspiration, and maybe some company while you got some cleaning done. And I'll see you all really soon in the next one. Bye, guys.